Thanks for joining me, Tasneem, Karodie, and Absie Pantashwa of Mzansi. Oh gosh, hope I'm saying that right. Mzansi meat. Okay. Out of South Africa. So much to dive into. So I think I saw a study recently from the African Bank that says 1/3 of Africa, now we're talking about the continent, not just the country of South Africa, but 1/3 of the African population is now considered middle class because there's more job security. There's people are leaving farmer positions and agricultural positions, and they're moving into 9 to 5 or, working for someone with a stable paycheck. Do you anticipate that the middle class will gravitate towards these novel innovations in food, or are they resistant because they've worked so long to get to the middle class that they feel that meat is part of a status symbol for them?
Well, I mean, there's two parts to that question, because, so the middle class is definitely gravitating more towards these innovations. So like if you look, there's a big retailer here in South Africa, Woolworths. So Woolworths Food, which is, so like it's a fancier retail store, food retail, and they've in the past 2 years, they've brought in a lot of plant-based products. And I mean, obviously there's a big demand, and there's the other chain stores, and I mean, like, there's too many of them to mention. But when it comes to dietaries and what consumers actually want, there's definitely the innovation is there, and we are very interested in it. Like, I mean, most everyone I know now has tried plant-based, even though they very much meat eaters. So they'll definitely be trying that out, because I mean, when you can afford it, you will. And why not? Because like there's not an ethical reason why you wouldn't try all these innovations.
Yeah, sometimes I think like America's slow on the uptake. We always think that we're ahead and we're doing everything, but we've had some resistance to accepting these things here. And then I interview around the world, China, India, Africa, and I see that, people are excited about innovation and that carries its own status. David Young, you may or may not know him. He's the founder of Omnipork and Green Monday and Green Common. And he always says, we have to outcool meat and dairy. And I think that younger generation, as they look towards tech and innovation and a brighter future, they're all about adapting. And it's just very exciting to hear you say these words that people are interested in trying it as well.